Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change screenshot interval in Time Doctor. So here I have an example of a screenshot, that's taken while they are working. What you want to do is come to the top menu, okay, here in the navigation bar, click on settings, and then you get this drop down, okay? I want you to come here and click on users. And after you click on this, you'll actually see a list of users in your team or your company. And right next to the name, you'll see screencasts. Okay. Now you can choose the interval at which the screenshots are taken. So if I click on this drop down, okay, you can see right now it's set to 3 minutes for William Hunter. You can increase this. So let's say we'll make it every 15 minutes, right? You just choose that. As you can see, screencast interval updated for one user. So every 15 minutes, their screenshot will be taken. So that is how to change a screenshot interval in Time Doctor.